In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy storage in OneDrive. In an age where digital storage is paramount for both personal and professional needs, expanding your OneDrive space can be a game changer. Whether it's for safeguarding precious memories, important documents, or extensive work files, adding more capacity brings peace of mind. With that in mind, let's walk through the process to ensure you have all the space you need. Firstly, you'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the OneDrive website. Sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, it's straightforward to set up, but for today, we'll assume that you're already set up and good to go. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your gaze towards the left side of the screen. Here, you'll see a sidebar with various options. You're going to look for the option related to storage. It's like taking the first step toward making sure you never run out of space. Crucially, this left sidebar acts as your navigation compass throughout your OneDrive journey. Click on the option labeled as Buy Storage. This is where the expansion to your digital infrastructure happens. Upon clicking, you'll be transported to a page that outlines the different storage plans available. Microsoft offers a range of options tailored to meet diverse needs and budgets. You might see plans offering an additional 100 GB or even a hefty 1 TB boost. Take a moment to review them. After all, it's about choosing what matches your current and future needs. It's worth considering not just your immediate requirements, but also how they might grow. Remember, a well-thought-out choice now can save you the hassle of upgrading again in the near future. Once you've decided on a plan that seems just right for your needs, click on it. A detailed page for the selected plan will appear. Here, you'll want to make sure everything looks correct. Double-check things like plan details and pricing. If everything seems to align perfectly with what you're seeking, you're just a few clicks away from more storage space. Now, click on the Buy button. This will prompt you to enter your payment information. Microsoft accommodates several payment methods, ensuring flexibility. Be sure to enter your details accurately to avoid any hiccups. Rest assured that security is a top priority and your information will be handled with care. Once you've completed the transaction, congratulations! You've successfully bought more storage on OneDrive. Your new capacity should reflect in your account shortly, allowing you more room to manage and store your files. In just a few simple steps, you've opened the door to enhanced storage solutions, making way for a smoother experience on OneDrive. That wraps up our tutorial on buying storage in OneDrive. I hope it was clear and easy to follow. Don't hesitate to revisit this video if you find yourself needing a refresher. Thank you for tuning in today, and remember, with more storage, the possibilities are endless.